Unveiling the secrets of animal vision, adaptations and comparisons. Some animals can see ultraviolet light, revealing patterns invisible to the human eye. Eagles possess remarkable eyesight, allowing them to spot prey from miles away in the sky. Cats have extraordinary night vision, enabling them to hunt effectively in low-light conditions. Mantis shrimps see a spectrum of colors beyond human capability, enhancing their communication skills. Comparatively, human vision is limited, but our color perception is quite advanced for survival. Subscribe for more amazing insights into the animal kingdom.